under up. Elusive Wind running on the outside. Sugar Glaze in between runners. Major. Kate Ganda followed over by She's Gorgeous. Queen's Prayer joining them as they race towards the last 600. Kate Ganda takes up the running by about 3 lengths. Running in second, Major, Queen's Prayer. Sugar Glaze racing in fourth, down in fifth, She's Gorgeous. Then moving up by the rail is Elusive Wind, Señorita. Alessay comes next, Conqueror. Running by the rail is Laon Laan as they turn for home. Kate Ganda this time by about 3 lengths. Major in second, Queen's Prayer. She's Gorgeous, the favorite, moving up on the outside. Kate Ganda, Major, Queen's Prayer. She's Gorgeous is on the outside. Randy Poso on Major wins this race over Queen's Prayer. Close between Laon Laan, She's Gorgeous, Kate Ganda for your Pentafecta.
4-6. Ay, hindi, mali.